Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are one of the team from company Capstone. In this Capstone, our team working for Wownet company. Before we jump into our main presentation segments, let me introduce our team members. First is Muhammad Hadiseptian Nursukamto, then Muhammad Muchlis Abimanyu, and then me, Dinda Afifah. So without any further ado, let's move to the next slides. Okay, our project overview. So in these occasions, we will present the project that our team has worked on. The presentation will unfold in structure, beginning with an introduction to the project background, followed by the discussions of the challenge that incurred it, and the effective strategies we employed to handle them. And finally, we will showcase the implementation results of the project with visual image and videos. Okay, next. As we observe, the dynamic change of the internet landscape will recognize and increase demands placed on its internet service providers. Customers now expect a consistent delivery of essential service that meet their evolving needs. With this, it delivered a demand to consider the necessity for the enhancements of the service systems. Because, as we all know, it is crucial for every provider to adapt and to elevate its capabilities to meet every customer expectations. Next. Okay, this is our 3 points of the occurring problems. To sum up, we can say that the effective communication forms the foundations of the positive customer experience. However, we identified areas that need attention. And on the other side, timely access to a relevant information is crucial for our customers too. But unfortunately, this is also becoming a challenge because there is a delays and the disruptions has the potential to negatively impact the overall quality service that given from the company to the customers. Okay, so now the solutions. The innovative solutions that we've developed in response of the challenge or the problem that we have identified and mentioned earlier, our team has worked to create an application with several features. Designed to facilitate the process of customers receiving information and seeking assistance. And as everyone can see, here are the features of our applications. And so there is sign in with emails or fingerprints, sign up with verify OTP code, buying a plan and checking traffic usage, and many others. So let me just move to the next slide. Okay, so this is our workflows. Our workflows before moving to our implementation, we would like to explain our team workflow first. So after we got the confirmation that we got accepted to do a capstone with the company, we started the timeline with making a project plan together. We ensure all the 4 major features that were given by the company exist, and we also give a few more additional features. And the next step is to implement the plan that we have met before. And in between the implementations, we also attend 2 sessions mentoring of project management and mobile development expertise advisor from Bangkit. And after all the implementation and the mentoring session is done, we continue to deploy our applications. And then now we presentate our project to all of you. And for the implementation segments, it will deliver by Hadi. So Hadi, the time and the place, I give to you.
For the tool of our project, we use Firebase Authentication to authenticate, then Firebase Firestore to store our data, and then Firebase Real-Time Database for the chat feature with customer service. For the architectural pattern, we use MVVM, model, view, and view model, where view is the part responsible for displaying information to user such as UI component. The view model works as a middleman between the view and the model. It manages the data display in the view and provide the necessary method for user action. The model represents the data and business logic of the application obtained from Firebase and Midtrans. Next, this is a mock-up of our project. In this page, user have to input their email with password or using their fingerprint. There is also a feature to help the user who forget their password. And the user does and if user doesn't have an account, they can go to the registration page. Next, in the registration page, user need use input some personal information and email with password to use later for login. But the registration have to complete the OTP code verify first to have an account. Next, in this page, user need to input OTP code that they receive by email. Okay, in this page, there is several features that user can see. You will find Wi-Fi button to easily search for nearby hotspot. Additionally, there is a traffic usage button allowing you to monitor your data consumption. Okay, next, in this page, the application will ask permission to track the user location so that the nearest hotspot can be tracked. Okay, in this page, the current plan will show with the user data usage to be continued by Muchlis.
The next one is page change plan. In this page, user can choose which plan are available and make payment. Next is page article. In this page, user can read some news article. Next is page profile. In this page, user can move on to edit profile page and choose to enable the biometric and choosing the UI theme color. User also can move to chat feeder and FAQ from this page. And also user can log out their account from this page. Next is page edit profile. In this page, user can update their profile like first name, last name, and mobile number. Next is page history transaction. In this page, user can fill out transaction history, ongoing transaction, successful transaction, and unsuccessful transaction. Next is page FAQ. In this page, user can read the frequently asked question. And next is page customer service. In this page, user can send message to ask information or seeking assistance to admin. And this is demo application by our team. I think that's all. We'd like to apologize if there were any misspoken word or mistakes during this presentation. Thank you for the attention. See you soon.